Hello students and friends. Welcome to Homeopathy Medicines. Today in this homeopathic materia medica lesson, I will discuss about homeopathic medicine Theridion curassavicum. Before starting this video, please subscribe to this channel for Learn Homeopathy Online Free and Homeopathy Materia Medica. We need support from you to make this channel more beautiful and more informative. Now going to discuss about Theridion curassavicum, its uses and symptoms. Nervous hyperesthesia. Has affinity for the tubercular diathesis. Vertigo, sick headache, peculiar pain around heart region, phthisis florida, scrofula have all been treated successfully with this remedy. Sensitive to noise, it penetrates the body, especially teeth. Noises seem to strike on painful spots over the body. Rachitis, caries, necrosis. Phthisis, stitch high up in left apex, anthrax. Where the indicated remedy does not hold long. Mind, restless, finds pleasure in nothing. Time passes too quickly. Head, pain worse anyone walking over floor. Vertigo, with nausea and vomiting on least motion, particularly when closing eyes. Eyes, luminous vibrations before eyes, sensitive to light. Pressure behind eyeballs. Throbbing over left eye. Nose, discharge yellowish, thick, offensive, ozana, pulse, thuja. Stomach, seasickness. Nausea and vomiting when closing eyes and on motion, tabak. Stinging pain on left side over anterior aspect of spleen. Burning in liver region. Respiratory, pain in upper left chest, myrt, pix, anis. Pain in left floating ribs. Cardiac anxiety and pain. Pinching in left pectoral muscle. Back, sensitiveness between vertebrae, avoids pressure on spine. Stinging pains. Skin, stinging thrusts everywhere. Sensitive skin in thighs. Itching sensations. Modalities, worse, touch, pressure, on shipboard, riding in carriage, closing eyes, jar, noise, coitus, left side. Hysterical sensitivity with extreme aggravation from noise, motion and exertion marks this remedy as unique. The pains are aggravated from noise and motion, and the nerves are in such a state of sensitivity that a painful thrill passes over the body in waves and nausea follows. Nausea from noise is strikingly strange. It cures the most stubborn cases of spinal irritation, when the symptoms agree. Chronic catarrh of the nose. Necrosis of bone. Quick consumption. Emaciation. Enlargement of glands. Constant hunger and thirst. It was a remedy with the old masters for scrofulous conditions. Great lassitude. Complaints are ameliorated by warmth, and during rest. Fainting from least exertion. Chilliness, trembling and anxiety. So restless that she must keep busy, though she accomplishes nothing. The bones are sore. Sadness and mental depression. Hysterical conduct, hilarity. Aversion to work, and to his business. Joyousness and singing with headache. Vertigo on closing the eyes, from motion, from stooping, on board the vessel, from every noise, with nausea, vomiting, and cold sweat. Awakens at 11 p.m. with vertigo and slow pulse. Vertigo with dim vision and pain in eyes. Vertigo and nausea from dosing the eyes when kneeling in church. Vertigo like seasickness. The headache is most violent, aggravated on motion, aggravated talking, aggravated from warm drinks, with nausea and vomiting. Sensitive to light and noise. Pain in forehead extending to occiput, aggravated from noise, motion, and cold air. Headache on beginning to move. Sensation as if vertex did not belong to her, as though she could lift it off. Pain deep in eye. Complaints from sunstroke. Pressing pain in temples. Pulsating pain over FD and across forehead. Cannot lie down with the headache. Itching of scalp, and nape in evening. This remedy cures many nervous eye symptoms. Flickering, even when eyes are closed. Like a veil before the eyes. Double vision. Sensitive to light. Diplopia. Fluttering. Nausea, and cold hands. Pressing pain behind eyes. On closing eyes, nausea and vomiting. The hearing is very acute. Every least noise penetrates the whole body, especially the teeth, aggravates vertigo and causes nausea. Rushing noises in ears like a waterfall. Pressure about the ears. Fullness behind the ears. It has cured most obstinate catarrh of nose with offensive thick yellow or greenish yellow discharges. Pressing pain at root of nose. Dryness in nose. Paroxysms of violent sneezing. The face is pale and sickly. Lockjaw in morning on waking. Foam at mouth with chill. Teeth sensitive to cold water and shrill sounds. Toothache causes weeping. Burning in teeth. Salty taste in mouth. The tongue feels as if burned. Mouth feels numb. Taste impaired. Desires wine and sour drinks. Much thirst. Desires food, but does not know what. Nausea with many complaints and from many causes. Nausea in the morning on rising, from noise, on closing the eyes, when looking too long at one object, on motion, from talking, from fast riding in a carriage, from riding on the cars or on a ship. Nausea with headache, with vertigo, nausea aggravated from warm drinks. In seasickness of nervous women when they close the eyes to get rid of the motion of the vessel they become deathly sick. Tenderness of stomach. This is a useful remedy in many liver conditions, with burning pain, aggravated from touch, motion and noise, and bilious vomiting. Pain in groin in a man after coitus, on motion, and on drawing up the limb. Constipation, with difficult, soft stool. Contraction of anus. Enlarged prostate gland with sensation of a lump in perineum. Must arise several times during the night to pass urine. Copious urine during the night. Feeble erection and diminished desire. Seminal emissions during sleep in the afternoon. Sore bruised pain in the ovarian region, aggravated by motion. Menses suppressed. Sighing and short breath on ascending stairs. Stitching in chest beneath left shoulder to throat. Quick consumption. Anxiety about heart. Very sensitive spine, aggravated from motion, noise, ajar, stepping. Pain between scapulae. Spinal anemia. Itching of back and nape. Drawing in thighs with a cold sensation, ameliorated by warmth. Violent itching of calf. Swelling of feet. Heaviness of the limbs. Pain in bones as if broken. Shaking chill. Sweats easily. Icy cold perspiration with fainting, vertigo and vomiting at night. Violent itching of skin. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more videos like Theridion curassavicum, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. To learn homeopathy course online free with Homeopathy Materia medica. Comment us your feedback and what you want in the next video. Like and share this video with your friends and family. For paid and free consultancy online, visit homeopathymedicines.com and mashclinic.com. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay healthy, stay happy.